Sometimes I know it feels like you ain't gonna make it, but you gotta keep pushing so you really can make it.
So, welcome back to my channel, y'all. Your girl is doing let me show y'all, get y'all up close, you know what I mean? I'm doing chicken lasagna. This is my recipe that I made up. I might give y'all this recipe. I might. I might give y'all this recipe. I want to do a cookbook, y'all. I'm telling you now. But do I want to give y'all this recipe? I think I'm gonna give it to y'all, but not in this video. But I'm gonna let y'all see little steps I take. I'm gonna tell y'all what's in it though. I got some rotel in it, some chicken, some cheese, different cheeses, cream of mushroom, cream of celery, cream of what else did I put? Cream of chicken. So yeah, cheese is in there as y'all can see. Salt, pepper, seasoning salt. What else I got in here? Spinach, of course. I put some spinach in there. Tomatoes, y'all see. And yeah, anyway, let's get to it. Be back. So y'all, for the first layer, I just did like just one little thin layer of the chicken and the cream cheese and all that. So I'm gonna lay some noodles on top of that. And then we're gonna go with some cheese. And then I'm gonna show y'all what else I do. All right. So I went ahead and put one layer of noodles down. Then I did some ricotta cheese, some Monterey Jack cheese, and some cheddar cheese. So we just dropped that right on top of that. Now, we're going to go with another little mixture of meat. And I'll show y'all that next. All right. Okay, so we moving on along, y'all. We getting a little thicker. So we went with another layer of the ricotta. Well, I put another layer of noodles on top of that. Oh, the ricotta, the cheddar, and the Monterey Jack cheese. So, yep. We're going to put one more layer on top of this, and we're going to keep it moving. All right. So, we got that. We're going to do the last layer. I'm going to show y'all how I've been doing mine. I didn't want to take so much time. I'm just spreading the ricotta cheese across like that right there. I can't work with one hand, y'all, so that's why. Let me show you how I'm doing it though. Spread my last little bit of ricotta cheese, because it's the last little bit. I had got a small jar. So, we're going to work with it. We're going to work with the last little bit. One hand, y'all. Okay, so here we go. This all I'm doing, spreading the ricotta across the top like that. Like so. And then I'm taking my Monterey Jack cheese. I think I can do this with one hand. Let's see. Let's see. And we just taking it all across the top. Like that. Honey, sit down, honey. Okay, so yeah, we taking it across the top. And then we're going to take our cheddar cheese. And we're going to go in heavy like that. I'm just wasting cheese here, but Lord. I'm going to clean up. I clean as I go, y'all. So then, boom. Then we're going to come back. See, we did that. Our last little mixture is finna go on top of this. And then I'm going to do my last little row of noodles. And then I'm going to add the cheese on top. And it's going to be banking. And y'all see, I bought a 2 big pan for my. So it's got a little gap right there. It's all good though. It's going to cook the same way. All right, I'll show y'all the finish. So we did the last layer, y'all. There it is. It's finished. I'm about to stick this in the oven. I would cover it up with aluminum foil, but I don't have any. So we're just going to open face it with the heat. I'm going to cook it on low on the bottom rack and move it up to the top. I'll show y'all when it's finished. All right. So there she is, y'all. I just took her out of the oven. She was in there for 1 hour. And it smells so good. I'm about to put this, I'm about to cut me a piece. And, yeah, it's done. Yeah, I just took it out. So, yeah, I put it in for 1 hour, y'all. And, I'm about to let it sit for about 10 minutes. And then I'm going to cut into it and put me a piece on my plate. And I got just a little salad, a little plain salad on the side. So, I'll show y'all when I cut into it. And I'll show y'all my salad. Be right back. Ooh, don't let me yell. Get a little close up, you know. Gotta have that little brown cheese, you know, let the cheese go. Ooh, ooh, you know. So good, y'all. So I'll be right back to show y'all my plate. So I just cut me a little piece, y'all. Let's see what it's looking like. Ooh. Oh, so I cut my little piece, and there it is. Try to get all the layers. Cause it kind of, okay, there you go. Oh, y'all, I'm about to tear this up. That is how it's looking, y'all. It is done. And ooey gooey ooey. Oh, oh, that looks so good, y'all.